This is Motu. This is Motu. He is the laziest monkey in the jungle. He likes to hang upside down from a tree and just chill. One day he sees a banana. He wants to eat it, but he's too lazy to climb down the tree, so he does something even smarter. He makes the tree branch move so that the banana falls down. But then he gets tired and falls asleep. And this is how Motu successfully wasted his day. The end. See you next time in Motu's next adventure. Until then, bye-bye. Comment down below, who is the Motu in your life? Like and subscribe for more such fun shorts.